Before we start, let's do a quick check to make sure Saily is going to actually work on your phone. First, we need to confirm your phone supports eSIM. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, and look for an option like Add eSIM. If you see that, then you're good to go. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, or Connections. Then look for SIMs or the SIM Manager. You're looking for anything that mentions eSIM or Add eSIM. If you see that on Android, then you're also good to go. Next, make sure your phone is unlocked, meaning that it's not carrier locked. The quickest way to check this is in the settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, About, and scroll until you see carrier lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, then that means you have an unlocked phone and you're good to go. On Android, a quick way to check if your phone is unlocked is to go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then Network Operators, and turn off Select Automatically. If your phone shows multiple networks, it's probably unlocked. And if it only shows your current carrier, that means your phone is probably locked. Okay, so at this point, if your phone can add eSIMs and is unlocked, then you're ready to go ahead and purchase your eSIM plan. Before we continue, if you want to save yourself some money and get an extra 15% off discount, make sure to use the first link in the video description. And if you're following along on your phone, scan the QR code on screen right here. That'll open the link in your mobile browser so you can also get that extra discount. After going to that link, the checkout process is the same whether you're on PC or mobile. Just choose the country or region you're traveling to, pick a data plan, choose how much data you'll need for your trip, and then go through checkout.